Hey guys, Riker's here, Riker's Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this video doesn't come out too crappy because I'm getting started in this whole YouTube experience and learn how to videotape. Thanks for tuning in. If you could like, comment, subscribe, help support the channel, I'd appreciate it. Today I'm going to be working on the 71 Chevy El Camino. Here it is right here. Be trying to put a engine in. That's a new floor pan. Do a little welder up series, bodywork stuff. Here is the engine I just got. I'm going to slap in it. It's got 12 to 15,000 miles supposedly. Came out of a Toyota Land Cruiser project. So I'll clean it up and do the old spray paint Chevy orange rebuild kit on there. Got a Edelbrock 1902. Gonna put on my 1406 so I can get some more CFMs out of the bad boy. And yeah, got a lot of cleanup to do on here, but first I gotta get this thing in position, get it all turned around right here facing the garage so I can pull this old engine out that I threw a rod on. So yeah, my plan is to beat and thrash on this thing, maybe get some better video camera devices, maybe some people to help film me do some of this stuff. Got the old SS hood that's starting to, of course, crease in the typical hood hinge sections, so I'm going to probably try and weld a little support up for that until I can save up and get one of those hydraulic fancy units that is super, you know, low stress on the hoods. So I'll probably do that. A bunch of stuff coming your way. Once again, Riker's Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate your support. Thanks.